Hello, this is Annick Legault from Adaptech Research Network with a very quick tutorial on how to use your smartphone to make a video of what is happening on the screen of your phone using the screen recording function. This video is filmed with an iPhone XR that has a screen recording built-in function rather than an optional app. Some Android phones do not have the built-in screen recording function and sometimes not even the option to get it unless the owner downloads a third-party app on the Google Play Store. Some of the reasons to use a screen recording function could be to put teaching material online because you had to cancel a class, you have an online class, you are using instructional videos to be viewed multiple times or later or at your student's own pace, or it is optional or in-depth information, etc. Let's start with the first step, which is to get the screen recording function into your control center. Access settings on your smartphone, then look for Control Center. Choose the option of Customize Controls. You can see on my smartphone that I already have a few functions like a flashlight, a timer, a calculator. What I'm looking for is a function for screen recording. Once I find it, I click on the little green plus sign to add it up to the control list at the top. This list shows the function are now accessible to your control center. Now I'm accessing Control Center on my smartphone by touching the screen in the right-hand corner and sliding down my finger. I now find the icon for the screen recording, which is a circle with a dot in the middle that you press and hold. You can choose to have the microphone on your device turned on if you wish to include your voice along with the phone's audio while making a video. On my device, I have access to, say, the recording on Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Meet, Skype. However, this time I'm choosing to put it in Photos. I'll then be able to do some quick editing later before I upload this video on a chosen teaching platform such as Moodle. One of the very important things to do before starting the recording, make sure to turn off your notifications by clicking on the half moon icon, which is the Do Not Disturb function, or else everything on the screen, including notifications, will be recorded. As soon as I press on the screen recording icon again, there will be 3 seconds countdown before the recording starts. Here we go. And I'm accessing, for example, the OpenStax free textbook that is available in many disciplines to give my students instructions on what section to pay attention to and to remind them to complete an assignment accompanying their reading. So let's pretend I want them to pay attention to this chapter about the different parts of the nervous system, giving them my instructions. Now to stop the recording, press on the red clock button on the upper left corner. Accept to stop recording by clicking on Stop. To find the recorded video on the phone, I will look into Photos. Select the video recording, where I can edit it if I need or want to. So that's it for this tutorial, and I hope you have fun with the screen recording function on your smartphone. This project was funded by Entente Canada Québec.